Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, it does not respond to your touches and it freezes and you have no idea what to do. So to force restart it, we have to press the power button, which is located right here on the right side, and press it long enough until you will see the black screen. So let me do it. As you can see, we've got this reboot option. However, let's pretend that I cannot tap on it. So just keep pressing the power button. We've got the black screen. That's great. Okay, and as you can see, we've got also the developer's logo, which simply means that your device right now is restarting and hopefully it will work normally after this operation. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to soft reset or force restart your POCO. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.